Eagle Heights is a brand new community from Adams Homes in Maysville, and today I am here with Carrie. And Carrie, it's awesome to be here with you. I would love to start out with this location. What can you tell us about Maysville?
Well, it is a great location, about 7 to 10 minutes from I-85, and also about an hour and a half to Atlanta or Greensville, South Carolina. The surrounding community has something to offer everyone, from wine tasting to canopy tours. Eagle Heights will have 73 homes when we complete phase 1 and 2. Our prices range from $388 to $495. Plans vary from ranches, 2-story, master on main, and finished basements. Square footage is 1,700 to 3,900.
Now, Carrie, one of the things I noticed when driving into the neighborhood was how large these home sites are.
Yes. All of our home sites are 1 to 2 acres, which is very appealing to most home buyers. All homes have gourmet kitchens, granite countertops, tile backsplashes, stainless steel appliances, crown molding, chair railing, and beautiful fireplaces. The spacious owner suites have quartz countertops, double sinks, soaking tubs, separate shower, and sizable walk-in closets. With our preferred lender, I can offer 4.5% interest rate for 30 years on one of my move-in ready homes. We do have several other homes that will be ready in June and July. And always, our earnest money is just $1,000 with Adams Homes.
Well, if someone wants to find out more about Eagle Heights, what's the best way to do that, Carrie?
Our sales office is open daily from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. and you can call us at 706-960-8440 or go to our website at adamshomes.com.
Well, Carrie, thanks so much for being here with me today. And if you are looking for a spacious lot, come and check out Eagle Heights in Maysville by Adams Homes.